Morning. Alright guys, we made it to the airport. That's my first time ever. Neither of my bags actually got checked. How much camera gear I got? I got like a modem for my internet, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of gear. I always get checked and I'm running behind. Today's my day. All right, y'all. Just had some lunch with Nolan. Thanks for picking me up from the airport.
You're welcome. I guess I'm the taxi for everybody now.
Yeah, where are we going now?
Pick up Jerry Bird.
Jerry Bird at the airport.
And if Dean is there, I'm gonna have to squeeze him in too.
Oh my God.
Or Daryl can sit on his lap because he's small.
And this is what we're driving.
Yeah.
This will be interesting. There's them birds.
Hey,
There they are.
howdy doody.
Yeah, how are we gonna duty?
I can sit back here.
I can sit back there.
Sure?
Yeah, I can sit back there. My stuff's back there anyways.
Okay.
Put it all on one side.
And that is your best friend.
You'll get in trouble.
Yeah, like when we was kids, dude. We had a fucking LTD.
Yeah. We had an LTD station wagon too.
Grand Victoria, dog. The guy running in the back of us and I bust out crying. They're like, what's wrong? I said, I'm vacation drawing. We was off a doctor's office shipped and talked to R&L carriers and asked them if they could have somebody no matter what.
Get no music anymore. So none of our stuff can have music anymore. No.
You think that's maybe because of
Oh, all right, guys. That's gonna wrap up the day. Sorry I didn't get a whole lot of footage during setup. We were short-handed a little bit, waiting on a couple team members to get here. It was late this evening, so anyways, we're all set up here pretty much. Got the car back here. Guys are finishing maintenance in Tracto right now. Had a good night at dinner, good day with Nolan and the Iski team. So shout out to Nolan. Thank you for a great day. We had a good dinner with Scott and Mike as well. So we waited until the sun went down to get set up. It's a common thing around here, that's for sure. It's rough when that sun is beating down on the tops of these trailers. It's just so hot setting up these pro awnings and everything. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. It's a long trip out here, that's for sure. I didn't get a whole lot of footage of that last flight. Ended up being in a middle seat, so didn't get footage of takeoff, landing, nothing like that. So sorry about that, but thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Looking forward to tomorrow. It's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. Gates open at like 2:30, I believe, and then racing starts at 5. So you can get some rest, and we'll bring you some awesome racing. Thanks for watching, guys.